Today is September the 1st, 2024. We're going to be using the drone to drop seeds at a nearby mountain that is bare. We're trying to reforest it, and we're going to try to use a drone. This is a brief overlook. The seeds. It's important to have seeds that are appropriate in the area. Here is a mixture of Mediterranean heartwort and Swiss chard. These are annuals, but they reseed themselves. This is arugula. This is oregano that has become seed. And we also have something which is, it's a shrub. It's called Christ thorn or palurius. It's a great plant shrub for the bees. All of them are useful for the bees, and hopefully a few of them will grow. So the seeds are important to have. You don't want to throw seeds which are inappropriate, especially if you're in a tropical climate. You do not want to throw stuff which is going to become invasive. So here, later on, we're going to add rock rose, which is also a very good plant for us. We're going to be doing this for the next 10 years. So here is an overlook. This is a DJI Mavic 2 I bought used. I have added a hook at the bottom, and I'm going to be putting a cup. On the top cup, there are two cups here. The top cup, we put the seeds in, and we hang it from the hook. And the bottom cup acts as a parachute. If we don't put a bottom cup and we drop only one cup, it's going to fall straight to the ground. We want this to turn around and disperse the seeds. So this bottom cup acts as a parachute. It turns around and it drops the seeds. We also made a wooden frame for the drone to sit on, and it's easier to take off. It sits like this, and the cup hangs from the bottom like this, and off it goes. When it gets to the desired location, let's say 100 meters above the mountain, we wiggle the drone back and forth, and this drops off. This is biodegradable, and hopefully we're not, and it says compostable, so hopefully we're not doing too much harm. Hopefully they'll break down, and we're not dropping a large amount of them. So this is a brief rundown. Seeds, very important to know the seeds that you're going to be dropping. For southern Greece, we might add medic tree medic, whatever it's called. We might add arugula. We said we have it, but that's a start for the drone. We can use this method to drop seeds over recently burned areas, and this will act to hold the soil together. It's easy to do. So we hope to have good luck.